Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division in maths. Division is a fundamental operation that helps us split a total amount into equal parts or determine how many times one number fits into another. We'll cover key terms like the dividend, which is the number being divided, and the divisor, the number doing the dividing. The answer we get is called the quotient, and sometimes there's a remainder, which is the amount left over. Let's start with some simple techniques. Repeated subtraction is a great way to understand division. You just keep subtracting the divisor until you can't anymore, counting how many times you subtracted. Another quick method is using your multiplication facts in reverse. For example, if you know 3 times 4 equals 12, then 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Finally, imagine sharing 12 cookies among 3 friends. Each friend gets 4 cookies. Now, let's tackle long division, a powerful method for larger numbers. First, you divide the initial part of your dividend by the divisor to find the first digit of your quotient. Next, multiply that quotient digit by the divisor and subtract the product from the dividend. Then, bring down the next digit from the dividend and repeat these steps. You continue this process until there are no more digits to bring down, giving you your final answer. Sometimes, when you divide, numbers don't split perfectly, and you're left with a remainder. A remainder is simply the amount that's left over after you've divided as much as possible. It's crucial to remember that the remainder will always be smaller than your divisor. You can express this leftover amount in a few ways: as a whole number remainder, as a fraction, or even as a decimal for more precise calculations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.